AWS Glue is a serverless data integration service that can be used to discover, prepare, and combine data for analytics, machine learning, and application development. AWS Glue provides all the capabilities needed for data integration so that you can start analyzing your data and putting it to use in minutes instead of months. AWS Glue provides both visual and code-based interfaces for data integration. Users can find and access data by using the AWS Glue Data Catalog. Data engineers and extract, transform, and load, or ETL, developers can visually create, run, and monitor ETL workflows with a few clicks in AWS Glue Studio. Data analysts and data scientists can use AWS Glue Data Brew to visually enrich, clean, and normalize data without writing code. With AWS Glue Elastic Views, application developers can use familiar structured query language, or SQL, to combine and replicate data across different data stores. AWS Glue benefits: faster data integration. Different groups across your organization can use AWS Glue to work together on data integration tasks, including extraction, cleaning, normalization, combining, loading, and running scalable ETL workflows. Automate your data integration at scale. AWS Glue automates much of the effort required for data integration. AWS Glue crawls your data sources, identifies data formats, and suggests schemas to store your data. It automatically generates the code to run your data transformations and loading processes. No servers to manage. There is no infrastructure to manage, and AWS Glue provisions, configures, and scales the resources required to run your data integration jobs. You pay only for the resources your jobs use while running.